Welcome to Neil's World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access files on your Mac from your Galaxy S device in your home Wi-Fi network. So let's start. For that, we don't have to install any new software in the Galaxy device. We don't have to install anything on our Mac. We can do it from the Mac system settings. Let me go to the Mac system and open the system settings. Go to General tab, and under General, scroll down and you can find something called Sharing. Okay, go to Sharing. Here you will see File Sharing option, and you can simply enable this file sharing option and then tap on this I button. Click on this I button. Here you will see different options. I have already added some folders. First of all, I'll show you. You in the shared folder dialog box, you add folders that you want to share. Let me add some folders. Let me add, for example, the desktop folder, the pictures folder, movies folder. You can also add the documents folder. So I have added these 4 folders: documents, movies, pictures, and desktop. All right, for example. And here on the left pane, you will see that there are different users listed. Everyone, staff, my username. So this is what username I use. You will get this option called Allow Full Disk Access for all users. For security purpose, disable this option, and then for everyone, instead of read only, you can remove the access. First of all, here you need to click on File Sharing on, and there you will find this network address 192.168.68.54. This is my IP address for this Mac device while I am connected to my Wi-Fi network. This is your home Wi-Fi network IP address. This is given by the router of your Wi-Fi system. And the protocol for file sharing which is used is the SMB protocol. The next option is this options. Here you click and then you can select the account. For share files and folders using SMB, you need to enable this one and then select the account. Here, this is the account. For that account, you need to set a password, the password that you have set for this in the computer. So you add the password. Already I have enabled this thing. First time when you enable this one, you need to add your give your password and click OK. All right. Once you are done, you go ahead and click done. Now it is done. File sharing is on under SMB protocol. So let me show in the mobile phone. So here is my mobile Galaxy S23 I am using. So in Galaxy S23 or Galaxy S series devices, you will find the default file manager called My Files. I'll go ahead and open the My Files app. Here you will see something called network storage. When you first can open up this network storage option, you will find something like add network storage. You click on it and then select network drive. It will search for the shared drives. Okay, just tap on it and then you need to put your username and password. So let me put my username and password here and then come back to you. I have added my password. Now I can see that all my files I can access. So you see, this is my movies folder and I can show you what is there in my movies folder by going to the MacBook. All right, here you see. So if you go to movies folder, you can see these are the different files and folders available. I can access it through my Android device. So I can click on these files and I can even play these files from here through the network. You can see this. I can play these files. This is a very easy and convenient way to access files on your other devices. You can do it from your Windows device also. You can share files from your Mac to your Windows device and vice versa. There are different ways of doing that. But for today's video, I have shown you how to do it from your Android device, because we all use Android device and sometimes we may not have an iPhone or something like that. For cross compatibility with Mac, from Android also you can access your files in your Mac very easily if you have a home Wi-Fi setup ready. That's all for today and we will meet in my next video. Thank you very much. See you soon.